Hello friends, welcome to TT Hub Jobs channel. This is Chakradhar. Uh, Today we are going to see some of the openings of telecallers coming up from the Talent Pro. So Talent Pro India HR Private Limited of Hyderabad is looking for telecallers of males and as well as females. Both are eligible for this. So for this they are looking for even freshers and as well as experienced. If you are a fresher and with a good communication skills, it's fine. If you have a good experience of minimum 6 months or anything in the telecalling, any kind of telecalling, then it will be best choice for you. So you need to have English and as well as any other regional languages, Telugu, Hindi, anything are fine. So minimum qualification can be SSC, again that is the best option. SSC, inter, graduate, anyone can participate in this. So as I told you, males and females both are eligible for this. So your age must be in between 18 to 28 years. So if you are belongs to this kind of age and as well as with minimum SSC qualification, there are a lot of opportunities and job location will be Begumpet, Hyderabad. So which is a best option for you. They are offering a salary of 12,000 to 14,000 per month. Apart from this, they have very good incentive packages and as well as ESI, PF, all allowances will be there as per the terms. Now, regarding the incentives, HR will discuss with you how the incentives will be paid to you. So, if you are comfortable with such kind of job role, I request you to send your curriculum vitae or resume on srikonda.ramu@talentproindia.com. So, send your resumes on this, or else if you have any queries or else any kind of information if you want regarding this, you can call Mr. Ram HR on 8897640988. So please again remember, calling to the HRs should not be done on holidays and as well as out of office hours. I am giving you very transparently all the contact numbers of HRs, but most of the HRs are feeling uncomfortable by getting the calls in the midnights even. So that is not the right pattern. Please understand, don't disturb them out of the office hours. So best time is 9 to 6 o'clock. Be strict to this calling on that, and you will not be disappointed by not getting the response on that now. So call on proper timings. And another thing, if you are unable to reach them at any point of time because of any reason, I request you to join a WhatsApp group created by us, so that we'll be there, HR will be there, so that you'll be getting the response whenever the HR is free in the group. So I request you to join a WhatsApp group called https colon slash slash tinyurl.com/ tthubjobs talent pro. So this is the URL of group, or else I'll be providing you the same URL in the description below. You can click and you can join this, so that all the queries will be answered over there. If this job is not relevant to you, I request you to share it to your friends or else job seekers who are in need. Help them so that they'll be benefited. So I request you to subscribe and as well as press bell symbol if you are coming for the first time, so that you'll be getting the notifications from TT Hub Jobs channel for further coming up all the jobs. So utilize this opportunity. Have a great day. Thank you.